Hello everyone. We got the opportunity to attend the Earth Month Open House celebration at the Ecosource Community Climate Hub on April the 25th, 2024, and were greeted warmly by staffs and others in attendance. Ecosource is an innovative Ontario-based organization that inspires the community to become more environmentally responsible through creative public education. They began in 1979 in Mississauga. They have expanded throughout the region of Peel and beyond to promote waste reduction, urban agriculture, sustainability education, nature connection, and youth leadership. They aim to engage all members of the community in environmental education and actively work to provide inclusive programs that reflect the diversity of the community. Ecosource on Earth Month Open House showcased their camp program, volunteer opportunities, youth action work, and hands-on environmental activities for all ages in their teaching kitchen, outdoor classroom, community garden, and youth space. Please support them in volunteering and donating. Their contact information is located in the description. Please enjoy the video as we showcase Ecosource Earth Month Open House.
Okay. Thank you.
Can I actually open the book for you?
Oh.
There's some really good pictures.
Okay, great.
Let's see if I can try. The wind is not being great today, but
This is nice. What is it you can tell us about Ecosource?
I'm sorry?
What you can tell us about Ecosource?
So we are a non-profit environmental education organization in Mississauga, and we provide, we work with pretty much all age groups, mostly in Mississauga, but we do offer programs in Peel as well. And we have different kind of program areas like local food, waste education, sustainability, corporate engagement. Camp is also a big one for us as well.
I can
Summer
imagine
camp.
that for kids.
Yeah.
I love those things. Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Alright.
So I see one that's digging down there. And then let's see if we can
That's
find
only
any
part of
more.
gardening I don't like.
The worms?
But I know the job.
They're
that
not
they
here to
do.
bother you.
Woo!
Yeah, they're just doing their thing. Where are they? Oh, there's another one. We've got 3 there.
Wow, kids love that.
Oh yeah, they've been going crazy for the worm.
Worm really do.
Well, I don't know about the rest of them, but at least these worms, they do help with composting. I don't know about what the regular earthworms do.
So basically they break down the soil so that, and they release, you know, their,
Yeah. And it's so good for the soil, yeah. Yeah.
so they
Mine
make it
almo-
more refined so that the roots can penetrate to different areas better.
Yeah, and it adds lots of nutrients because it's the broken down food, so
Yes.
it's a lot good. But gonna make it a little smaller, easier for them to eat.
Right.
So cut up some strawberries, some carrots, some pepper.
So when we see the soil looking with worms, that means it's good soil. Would you say that?
It depends on how many you see. If you see too many worms, something's
Something is
not
going-
quite right. But if you do see some worms, then yeah, it is a good place. It means it also means that the soil has lots of movement in between it, or like it's not solid, it's not packed down to
Yes.
compress, because otherwise they wouldn't be able to make it through. So it is better if you do see worms. That means it's more likely to be good soil, or better soil at least.
Okay, that's
Yeah.
good. Let me look at it.
Little rock, wishing rocks. So yeah, so these are some of the food scraps from inside that we've been using to feed our new friends.
But why do we place
The paper?
the paper in it?
Because they can break that down as well. So paper towels, shredded paper, newspaper, those are all okay to also put in here as well.
Okay.
Coffee
And
grounds.
This is a compost box.
So this will be their permanent home. This is the full bin.
Okay.
So we've got the mesh on the top so that it still gets the air,
Yes.
but then sealed so that they can't escape. 'Cause
Right.
that's a different problem. But yeah, so whenever you feed them, you want to bury the food so that they're not coming up to the top and they can stay underneath.
And do their thing. Yes. Yeah, we have another little art stone. See Mr. Worm looking at us.
Can I hold another one?
You want to hold another one of the worms? Sure thing. Can you give me this? I told you they're pretty popular. We're gonna cup our hands there. No?
Which part is?
What was your favorite part then? Cooking?
When I was in the kitchen.
The kitchen. I had a feeling. Everyone loves the kitchen.
And the kitchen is inside.
Yeah, so if you go
So we
upstairs.
need to make it.
Oh yeah,
fast.
there's lots to see.
Alright.
No, man.
Oh, can I see the worm in your hand? Oh my gosh, look at that. Woo! See the artwork. Alright, artwork. I like the setup. You can just sit over it like this. And you have, yeah, you can paint and do your artwork. Nice. Oh my gosh. I like this setup though. It's really cute. Teaching kitchen. Hey. Nice. You can eat the whole strawberry, including the leaves. This is nice.
And up here. It's gonna be a mother here.
Are you volunteering at one of the gardens? Yeah, that garden is beautiful as well.
Yeah.
Is it your first year?
It's gonna be my first year.
Wow, okay, exciting. A cookie crumble. Yeah.
Ah,
Would you like to make one too?
yes.
What are we gonna make?
So it's a little strawberry dessert. So what you could do first is you could add some yogurt, then our strawberry goes in, and then the cookie crumble on top.
Simple.
Yeah.
So we have this first. Right. So,
Oh yeah, so you can grab either
one?
one of these or one of these. It's up to you.
well, I prefer that more stable.
Yeah, I understand. Here you go.
Oh. Sorry.
And then you can add some yogurt and fresh
So we grab the yogurt and we put it in the cup. Yeah. Okay.
this one. I know that one's kind of near the end.
All right.
Here you go.
All right.
I can grab another
Spoon, yes. Thank you.
Fresh yogurt.
And then we
you're
put
gonna
the
take your
strawberry.
kind of plant in the yogurt.
Okay. So do we take the
You can
leaves?
take the leaves off if you'd like. You could also eat the leaves, which you did not know till recently.
I didn't know that. I just saw it. Okay, I think that will do.
And then your cookie crumble goes on in the end, and it can kind of like top off the strawberries and the yogurt.
All right.
Okay.
How's it going?
Yeah, just over there. Yeah. See some bread and salt.
Candles, cookie crumble. That's mine.
Would you like to make a
Alright.
strawberry dessert? Yes. Perfect. Okay.
That's it?
Uh-huh. So we are gonna toss it.
So our strawberry dessert is going to be some yogurt, a strawberry, and
And that's it. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, no problem. I hope you guys enjoy.
Yes, thank you. And now we are going to enjoy.
How is it? We're taking it easy in here.
Yeah, that's what I realized.
This is the spot.
Wow, this is comfy.
So what's the whole concept of this now? This whole
Yeah, so this is we were working with youth a lot in the winter, and so this was our youth kind of hangout space. Our climate hub is what we were calling it.
Oh,
Yeah, and it's great for meetings as well.
yes, yes.
But yeah, it was designed more for the youth.
You.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
okay. So you're inspiring them.
We hope so. There's a drum on that shelf over there, and we made that with the youth and an indigenous knowledge keeper.
Which one? This?
To
The
your
drum.
left.
The drum. Is
Oh,
right
the
there.
drum.
Yeah.
Alright, that's an indigenous drum.
Yeah.
Wow.
So that was
There
really
it
great. That
is.
was just a few weeks ago too. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, we do a lot of fun, a lot of different workshops. A lot of fun.
So we have been at the opening house of Earth Month at the Ecosource, and it has been fantastic so far. We have met lovely persons that work at Ecosource, and the family has come out, children with their parents, and everybody's all smiley faces enjoying the open house session. And I hope that you can give your support to Ecosource. You can look them up. I'll also put in the description how you can reach them. Give your donation. If you can support, please do support them. And I'll be volunteering this year. I'm so excited about it. So stay tuned. Take care. Bye-bye.